Hi, my name is Dexter, and I'm part of training fraternity in Bombay. And I have a master's in human resources, and I have absolutely no idea about training. One of the reasons I came to this workshop is because a friend of mine who got into trading after working with MJ and going through this workshop, he started making a ton of money. And I said, okay, fine, there must be something to this because he recommended it. There are two things we must talk about over here. One is the trainer and one is the content. The trainer, MJ, is very passionate about this. So if you're new, he'll inspire you. He's full of energy, he's full of life, and he's got boundless amounts of energy. I mean, people younger than him will probably go off, but then he is full of life. And the other part is the content. So if you're not aware of what training is, what trading is, I keep saying training, what trading is, and if it seems like rocket science to you, well, this is the place to come to because he's opened up my eyes to the world of trading. And my target, I think, at least 5 to 10,000 rupees per day after maybe a couple of months. So that's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, thank you so much.